Hey, mathematicians. Today's lesson is session 4 of lesson 22, and we're on page 507. So open up your math books if you haven't yet, and we're going to, at the top, it says complete the examples and solve problems 1 through 5. Jen has 48 coins. Kim has 14 coins. Who has more? So you can draw it 10, 20, 30, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count on 6, 7, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you can see when you draw it that Jen has more because blank tens is greater than blank 10. It's singular. So that's that 1 10, and she has 4 tens. The book then gives you 48 and 14, and you have to fill in. Is 48 greater than 14? Or is 48 less than 14? Well, if you don't know, you can use the alligator. The alligator eats the biggest number. So the alligator is going to go here. And this reads like this. 48 is greater than 14. So you're going to write on the line, Jen has more coins. We finished the example. Below the example is apply it, and it talks about Anita. Anita packs 46 books. So Anita packs 46 books, and let's see. This one says less. They changed it to less. So Anita packs 46. And James packs 27. Remember, when you're looking, you can first go to the tens column, which is right here. Tens, tamales out. This would be hot tamales out, but the hot is missing because there's no hundreds. So it's tamales out. So 10, 4 tens, and 2 tens. Now you have to read what it says. It says fewer. Fewer is your word clue. Not that you're going to subtract. Normally, yes, fewer, more than, great than, different, in all, those will tell you what you're going to do. But remember, boys and girls, this week, you're not adding, you're not subtracting, you're just comparing which one's greater, which one's less. So it wants to know which one's fewer. So blank tens is less than blank tens. I'm going to erase that. So I'm going to put in your book does 27 and 46 blank packs. Than blank. Okay, so we're looking for fewer. So 10 or 4 tens or 2 tens. Which one is fewer? 2. 2 is less than 4. So I'm going to write 2 tens is less than 4 tens. Now the alligator is going to go this way. So 27 is less than 46. Now, whoever this is, James. So on your line, you're going to write James. It's a capital to start and nothing else because it's a name. It's a proper noun. Anita. There you go. So you always have to read the word clues because you don't know if this had said which one is greater. That would have completely changed it, right? It would have been 4 tens is greater than 2 tens. Our alligator would be heading the other way and the names would be switched. So please, please, please pay attention to those word clues that are telling you what you're looking for. Page 508, number 2, fill in the blanks, then write less than, greater than, or equals in the circle. So this one is less than. The bigger number is going to go here. This one is greater than. And I'm just going to keep those up so you guys know the difference. So in this one, you have all right, they give you 85 and then they give you a circle and 85. So what they want you to do is they want you to write in how many tens and ones go here, how many tens and ones go here. Your book has these on 2 separate lines, but I ran out of room. So this number first has 8 tens and 5 ones. This one also has 8 tens and 5 ones. So one is not less than the other, one is not greater than the other, they are equal. So in that circle, you're going to put an equal sign. Number 3, they filled in for you. It says fill in the blanks, then write less than or greater than or equals in the circle. So it gives you the number 72. And hopefully you can see that it is equal. So you're going to put an equal sign in for 72. So it looked like this, 72 and 72. Ooh, that looks like a Z, but it's a 2. Okay, number 4, number 5, number 4, write less than, greater than, or equal in the circle. So you have 23, 23, 27, and then you have 69 and 64. So first thing you're going to do is go to the tens. They're the same. So if the tens are the same, then you go to the ones. Well, the 7 is bigger, so it's going to be less than. 23 is less than 27. 69 and 64. Tens are both the same. Ones, the 9 is greater. So 69 is greater than 64. Number 5, it has 74 and 74. And then over here, 96 and 99. So check the tens, they're the same. The ones, they're the same. This one is equals. Check the tens, they're the same. Check the ones, the 9 is greater. There you go. Perfect. Okay, next page. These are the green pages. This is practice. So it says, look at the example. We've done that a lot of times. So we're going to jump down after the example. It says, fill in the blanks. Then write less than, greater than, or equals in the circle. So this problem gives you, like it did before, where it gives you blank tens and blank ones, and you have to figure it out. But they do it in base 10 this time. So I'm going to erase these. We're going to look at the base 10 numbers and figure it out. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10. And then it has 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. This one has 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to look at the tens. They're the same. 4 tens and 4 ones. And then I'm going to look at the ones. This one has 4 and this one has 7. So it's going to give me 47 and 44. So the alligator is going to go eat that 47. So it reads 47 is greater than 44. I have more if I have 47. Number 2, fill in the blanks, write less than, greater than, or equals in the circle. If you have 7 tens and 0 ones, that would mean you have 70 on this side. And you have 5 tens and 8 ones on this side. That would mean you have, oops, I wrote it in the spot where it's not supposed to go. So it says 70, circle 58. Well, look at the tens first. 7 is greater. So you would put in a greater than sign, and it would be 70 is greater than 58. Number 3, it doesn't have you tell, it tells you how many there are. So it says for number 8, it says you have 3 tens and 6 ones, which is 3 tens and 6 ones. And then the next one they give you is 3 tens and 9 ones, and then you have to figure out where it is. Is it less than, greater than, or equal to? Well, 36 is less than 39. The alligator's going over to eat that 39. Number 4. They give you 2 of each, and you have to, for all the rest of these, just do greater than, less than, or equals. So I have 91 and 91. That's an equal sign. 85 and 82. I'm no longer drawing the circle. I'm just going to put in what it is. So look at the 10s. They're the same. Hop to the 1s. 5 is greater than 2. 85 is greater than 82. And look, there's that greater than symbol. Number 5. Look to the 10s. The 5 is bigger. 54 is greater than 45. 36 and 63. Look at the 10s. 6 is greater than, so it's 36 is less than 63. If I flipped this, it would be 63 is greater than 36, right? Because the alligator goes from 30 so much. So 36 is less than 63. 63 is greater than 36. I'm going to erase that just so I don't confuse you. Number 6 says 26. So you're going to look at the 10s. They're the exact same, so then you hop to the 1s. 9 is greater, so 26 is less than 29. Look at the 10s. They're the same, so hop to the 1s. 1 is greater than 0. Not by a lot, but it still is greater than 0. All right, my darlings, you are done with session 4. Tomorrow is an easy 2 pages. You got this. I will smell you all later. Bye.